guys. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of your the identification assignment for the week. So for our identification assignment, what I think I'm going to do is just have you guys go through and fill out the spreadsheet, and then maybe at the end of lab, we'll have some pictures where you'll identify some things. It'll be open note, of course, as everything is. But for now, let's just working on through the spreadsheet. So you see, it's called Lab 1, Muscle Identification, Head, Neck, and Trunk. It goes along with lab lectures 1.2 through 1.4 that you just watched this week or that you are watching or will be watching this week. I think what you could do is you could go through and when you're looking at the different labs, lab 1.2 covers the sternocleidomastoid and then the splenius, capitis cervicus, then semispinalis and longissimus capitis muscles. So you could watch lecture 1.2, complete the short assignment on Canvas, and then also complete this part. You don't have to submit it then. Then next up, we cover muscles that move the head and the trunk of the erector spinae group. Then we finish up with muscles that move the trunk that are external oblique, rectus abdominis, internal oblique, and transverse abdominis. And sorry, I got a little bit lost there for a second. So I think what you could do is you could just kind of go along and fill this in as you go through the assignment, or you can fill it in right afterwards. And I'll have a link, and this will be due at the very end of the week, just like everything else, or in this case with our lab cycle, we do Wednesday night, and with new labs posting on Thursday morning. All right, guys. And when I teach you the origin and insertion, you're responsible for knowing them. Sometimes, though, we just talk about action. So in general, we're going to at least know the location and the action of all these muscles. In some points, we're also going to learn the origin and insertion as well. All right, guys. So good luck and contact me, of course, if you have questions about this.